Hello again. This is Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and today we are adding to the Instant Pot mini series that I have going on this channel. So today we are making shredded barbecue chicken. It is going to be delicious. Keep watching. Hey y'all, I'm back again with another Instant Pot mini recipe. This is going to be an ongoing series on my channel, specifically for the Instant Pot mini for those who are cooking for themselves or cooking for two people. For this recipe, once again, we are doing shredded barbecue chicken, and I always start from frozen chicken just because I don't have time to wait for meat to defrost. So I always start from frozen. I'm using 2 chicken breasts in this recipe just because I'm going to be eating this chicken for a couple of days. If you haven't seen my previous video on cooking fish in the Instant Pot, I recommend checking it out. This is probably going to look slightly crazy. I'll link the video up in the top, and I'll link it below in the description as well, just so you can get a look. So I am currently putting salt and pepper into this chicken. Because the chicken is frozen, it takes a lot more seasoning to get the flavor that you are looking to get. So even though this looks like a lot of salt, it looks like a lot of pepper, it's actually going to be just the right amount. It's not going to taste salty at all. It's actually going to bring out the perfect flavor. I have already added a cup of chicken stock to the bottom of the Instant Pot mini. I use low sodium chicken stock. I'm just going ahead and putting my 2 chicken breasts in there that are seasoned with salt and pepper. I am going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of butter. I just like to add a little butter just for that little extra flavor, and it is salted butter that I am adding. And I am using, and this is totally personal preference based upon whatever barbecue sauce you're going to use, or if you're just using this as shredded chicken with no sauce, or however you want to season. But I'm using garlic powder, and I am going to be using onion powder. Now, once again, because it is frozen meat, I'm going to be using a large amount of garlic powder and onion powder. If you have seen one of my videos before, you know that right here I am just putting on my lid. I'm locking it into place. I am putting the back valve in the not venting position. You want to make sure anytime that you are pressure cooking in the Instant Pot that the valve is in the not venting position. That is the key to locking in the pressure. So with this particular recipe, I am cooking the chicken for 10 minutes. So I'm just getting that time set and waiting for it to click into place. So because the chicken was so thick, and I had 2 pieces in there, I opted to do a part natural release of pressure, and then I finished it with twisting the valve myself. So I left the chicken in there for about 10 minutes more just to get some more cooking time to make sure it was thoroughly cooked through. And so I just went ahead and released the valve, and as you can see, I have perfectly cooked chicken. I didn't think you all wanted to sit here and just watch me shred chicken. That's pretty boring. So This is just one of the pieces of chicken breast that came out of the pot. I just use a fork and a meat fork to kind of hold it into place. I found with using a knife, I have actually hurt myself. So this tends to be an easier option for me, and the meat is juicy and fresh and really easy to shred. After I shred the chicken, I like to take that chicken and put it back into the Instant Pot in the chicken broth that is in the bottom of the pot. It's super good because it's mixed in with that garlic powder, that onion powder, that butter, and I just stir it around and kind of sop up that extra flavor. Then I strain out the chicken. Now I don't like press it down into a strainer or anything. I just really just dump the chicken into like a colander and put it back into the Instant Pot just to get off the excess juice. And then I add in my barbecue sauce. I'm using a white barbecue sauce. I know it looks super weird. It kind of looks like Alfredo sauce, but it is a white barbecue sauce. I just decided to try something different. This white barbecue sauce has a vinegary taste to it. Just something different for some different flavor. And that is it. Shredded barbecue chicken in the Instant Pot. Super simple. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this weekly. Let me know down in the comments, what kind of foods would you like to see me cook in the Instant Pot? Until next time, bye!